Good day, everyone. This is Team 5, and we are here to present our business idea pitch, which is ADV Mask, Mask of the Future. So, our compelling problem for the making of this idea is that COVID-19 is very present in our society, and the WHO highlighted wearing a mask can keep us safe from COVID-19.
Value proposition. Number one, the mask would have a unique but simple design featuring its own filtration and cooling system with the use of sensors. Number two, it is reusable and has replaceable filters. It is also washable. Number three, the mask also guarantees high comfort and flexibility. And lastly, the ADV mask keeps users protected from airborne particles, viruses, and bacteria. These are the target market. Number one, the drugstores and hospitals are number one priority because they COVID-19 protection and paraphernalia. Second is medical related stores and markets. Fourth, wholesale and retail. And number five, online sellers.
So, this is our business model. Our key partners are hospitals and medical related stores and also online sellers. Key activities include marketing, advertisement, survey, demonstration, and promo. Key resources involve cotton-like materials, mask built in with emergency alert, and our value proposition was also discussed. Customer relationship involved personal assistance in customization, personal selling, and customer segments involve local merchants. Channels involve social media, company website, online platforms, and television ads. Cost structure would involve procurement of raw materials, payment for labor, logistics and cargo, procurement of technology related parts, and television and web advertisement fee. Our revenue would come from sales and stocks, wholesale and retail, loyalty cards, partnerships, and endorsements.
Thank you guys. That's all. And we are team 5 and thank you for listening.